If you've ever wanted restaurant-quality meals at home, sous vide cooking might be your new best friend. In this video, I'll show you the 7 best sous vide machines that combine precision, convenience, and durability, so you can enjoy chef-level results in your own kitchen. In the description, I've left links with the latest prices on Amazon. Let's get started. Number 7. Greater Goods. The Greater Goods Sous Vide Cooker offers powerful yet whisper-quiet performance thanks to its high-end water circulation system. With 1,100 watts of power, it heats water quickly and evenly across the pot, maintaining a stable cooking temperature from 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 203 degrees Fahrenheit. Its intuitive dial control lets you easily switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, set your target temperature, and adjust without affecting the timer. Extra touches like manual calibration, a negative timer to show how long food has been cooking past the set time, and a removable stainless steel cover make it both precise and user-friendly. The Easy Connect clip attaches securely to any pot or container, while the large LED display ensures you can check settings at a glance. By locking in moisture and nutrients, it delivers meals that are healthier and more flavorful than traditional cooking methods. For home cooks who want an affordable yet high-quality entry into sous vide, the Greater Goods delivers consistent results with minimal fuss. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. 4T7. The 4T7 Smart Sous Vide Cooker takes convenience to the next level with wireless app control via the Tuya Smart app. From your phone, you can adjust cooking temperature and time, whether you're in the kitchen, at work, or outdoors. Its brushless motor can heat up to 18 liters of water, making it ideal for cooking larger meals for a family of 4 in one go. Precise temperature control means no overcooking, just perfectly tender meats, vegetables, and seafood every time. The extra-large tilting LED screen is easy to read, even from across the room, and the sleek, fingerprint-resistant finish adds durability. Switching between Fahrenheit and Celsius is as simple as a long press of the power button. The app offers free recipes tailored for beef, pork, seafood, eggs, and more, helping beginners and pros alike get the perfect doneness. With sturdy stainless steel construction, the 4T7 is built to last and delivers professional-level results in the comfort of your own home. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. KitchenBoss G300S. Built entirely from SUS 304 stainless steel, the KitchenBoss G300S eliminates any plastic parts in contact with heat, ensuring safe, healthy cooking. The brushless DC motor circulates water at 16 liters per minute for consistent temperature control throughout your cooking vessel. Its thermostatic control system uses a high-precision chip to maintain water temperatures between 104 degrees Fahrenheit and 194 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for everything from delicate fish to robust cuts of beef. The ultra-quiet design and spiral water inlet minimize sound, creating a calm cooking environment. Certified IPX7 waterproof, it's safe to submerge for thorough cleaning. The G300S handles large quantities without uneven heating, making it ideal for batch cooking. Whether you're preparing spa eggs, lamb chops, or lobster, this sous vide retains nutrients and flavors while achieving restaurant-quality texture. With its durability, power, and ease of cleaning, the KitchenBoss G300S is a professional-grade tool for serious home cooks. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Want free shipping and fast delivery on your products? Try Amazon Prime. There is a 30-day free trial linked in the description. Number 4. Inkbird. The Inkbird stands out by offering a complete starter package: 30 reusable vacuum bags, a hand pump, sealing clips, and replacement air valves. Everything you need to start sous vide cooking right away. With 1,000 watts of power and Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and monitor the cooker from anywhere using the free Inkbird Pro app. The device offers precise temperature and timer settings, ensuring perfect doneness without overcooking. Safety features include a low water level alarm and automatic shutoff. Attach it to any pot with the built-in clamp, set your temperature, and let it do the rest, quietly and efficiently. The app includes recipes and even lets you create custom ones, making it easy to experiment with different foods. From steaks and chicken to seafood and vegetables, the Inkbird's precision delivers delicious, repeatable results every time. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. BLITZHOME. The BLITZHOME Sous Vide Machine offers precise temperature control from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 198.5 degrees Fahrenheit with an accuracy of 0.1 degrees Celsius, ensuring your food is always cooked to perfection. Its 1100 watts heating power and 360 degrees water circulation cut cooking time by more than 50%, while accommodating containers up to 15 liters, perfect for cooking larger batches. The spiral fixation clamp secures it to pots of varying thicknesses, preventing accidents and improving safety. Operating at less than 15 decibels, it's one of the quietest sous vide machines available. Built-in low water protection and temperature alarms keep cooking safe. LED indicator lights and audio alerts keep you informed of your food's progress, even from a distance. With power, precision, and thoughtful design, the BLITZHOME is a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced sous vide users. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Breville. The Breville is designed for busy cooks who want gourmet results fast. Its turbo mode uses algorithms and cloud computing to cut cooking time in half while maintaining perfect texture and flavor. The visual doneness feature lets you choose your preferred doneness before starting: rare, medium, well done, making it easy to achieve consistent results. The prime time function keeps food at its best until you're ready to eat, adding flexibility to your schedule. Controlled entirely through the Joule app, it offers guided recipes from Breville's test kitchen, ensuring success with everything from steaks to seafood. Compact yet powerful, the Joule Turbo is ideal for anyone who wants precision cooking with minimal effort. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. KitchenBoss G310. The KitchenBoss G310 combines Wi-Fi control with professional-grade performance. Through the KitchenBoss app, you can set and monitor cooking from anywhere. Its brushless DC motor circulates water at 16 liters per minute with 2,900 RPM, ensuring even heating for multiple items in the same pot. The temperature range of 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit covers everything from delicate fish to hearty roasts. The ultra-silent spiral wave wheel design keeps noise low, while mute mode adds discretion. Built entirely from SUS 304 stainless steel and sealed with laser welding, it's designed for durability and food safety. With precise control, even heating, and elegant packaging, the G310 is not just a cooking tool, it's a gift-worthy appliance for anyone who loves fine dining at home. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best sous vide machines you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.